Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the new portfolio screen in Trading 212. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you're looking to familiarize yourself with the updated Trading 212 interface, here's how you can do it. First, open the Trading 212 app and tap on the tab that has an icon of a pie chart. This is your portfolio section. Even without any funds in your account, you can access the new portfolio over here. You will find a comprehensive layout that includes sections like investments, cash, pending orders if you ordered before market open, and ISA allowance if applicable. You can also see the main chart displaying your account value over time. Next, to explore the net deposit feature, click on the cog icon next to the time frames on the chart. Enable the show net deposit option. This will display a gray line on your chart representing your net deposit over time. Since you haven't made any deposits, this line will remain flat at 0, but it's useful to note how this feature works for future reference. This is the new portfolio screen of 212 and it's that simple. This is for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.